Hey everyone, today we're going to be calibrating our filaments retractions using Orca Slicer. As always, let's select our printer, bed type, and filament. Let's hit calibration and click retraction test. These default settings are usually pretty good, so let's just click OK. What the retraction test does is it prints two towers, which have rings on them similar to a ladder. Each ring of the ladder prints at a different retraction length. We want to find the lowest ring that still has good quality. Let's print this model. Alright, the print is completed. Let's look at the results. If I pick up this print and we look very closely, we can see a lot of strings right where the first ring is. However, at the second ring, there are no strings, which is exactly what we want on a finished product. For you, this may occur at the third, fourth, or even more. Basically, what we have to do is take that ring count and divide it by 10. So for example, I got ring 2, so our factor will be 0.2. If yours is ring 7, for instance, although hopefully it's not, it will be 0.7. Now that we found our factor, let's go and edit our filament. Scroll over to setting overrides. At the very top, you'll see a parameter called length in the retraction section. Tick this box. Now you can put in your input. I found my retraction length to be 0.2 millimeters, but this may be different for you, so put in whatever you found. Now let's save. And you're done calibrating your retraction. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to calibrate your max volumetric flow rate. However, we're almost done with this calibration series, so if you have any ideas on what I should do next, please leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else in this series. See you then!